Hey there, Cedar Crest. For those who don't know me, my name is Mallory Seeger, and I'm with the graduating class of 2023. At one point or another in our broadcasting or film lives, we all have to make a PSA. Some turn out to be really, really good, and the others, not so much. So today, I'm here to talk about PSAs and how to make them so that you can ace the assignment and win awards. The first thing you want to do is find a topic that is meaningful to you. It doesn't have to be super near and dear to your heart, but it has to be something that you would stand up for, like adopting pets or texting while driving. Don't do that. Or underage smoking or drinking. Some topics may be super serious and some may not, so it's really up to you on what you want to choose. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you have a wonderful, amazing, brilliant tagline. The tagline should be the one line in the whole piece that everyone remembers. It could be catchy or it could be a play on words that really leaves the audience wondering. I personally like to have a little play on words due to the fact that it can be used as the title. After drawing out the tagline, you will need to start the storyboarding process. Yes, I know that this is the worst part. I hate drawing. We all hate drawing. But the projects produced with a storyboard are the ones that usually have a big visual difference that people can see. You usually can tell that the plot of the piece was constructed and not just people walking out saying, hey, you want to film a video, and doing it all for the funsies. Another important detail in PSAs is having information to provide the audience with. I have found it to be easier said than done in this part because you need to be able to fit facts into small amounts of time. And speaking of small amounts of time, you also want to have short clips. The clip should never be longer than 6 to 7 seconds, even for a moving shot. PSAs are very quick and to the point, so you have to demonstrate with these shots too. Finally, you want to think about the audience's emotions. What do you want the viewer to feel? What emotions do you want to pull from their hearts? And how do you want them to react? You have to think about all these questions when planning the shots, and storyboarding and filming, as it plays a very major role in how the piece can come out. So with all that being said, I want to thank you for listening to my little tutorial on how to make a PSA, and I'll catch you guys later in LA on the red carpet winning awards and showing off. Make it a great day, Cedar Crest.